Tomorrow I'm busy because I'm cleaning.
Even I am here, now I am here, they not going to take in the kitchen to water. Call me. Here I am here. She called me, Deepak, come and make chai all leather.
Hello. Hello. Shut
Do I in
up.
the phone?
Yeah. Hello to our viewers, my friends. How are you? Kamusta po? Thank you sa likes. 12 viewers. Hello. Come here. Come sit with me. I have a 12 viewers. Hello, guys.
Wow, you have.
Hello, guys. Come. I have a friend here.
Friends, how are you?
We are here down. Where are you from?
I am from Sri
Sri
Lanka.
Lanka.
Did you like it?
Hello, just comment down below, guys. Nice to meet you all, 12 viewers. We are here from Dubai. We are here in Dubai, huh? We are here working.
Yeah,
To
so
those
hard
who
to.
don't know us, hi, 12 viewers, guys. Happy Ramadan. Shout out. Say hi to them. You speak English?
Yeah, I can speak English.
Oh, she's from Sri Lanka. Sri
Yeah.
Lanka?
Yes. They are from where? Philippines?
Where are you from, guys? I cannot say you. I don't know where are you from. Where are you from watching? Ah, senior Edis, what is that? Feet. Ano? Puto. what what are you talking about? Putanang Batu. What's the name of that? Kisi. I don't know. What's that? He talk like Sri Lanka.
Wow, he's Sri Lanka?
Talk like
Maybe.
Sri Lanka. Look.
What is?
Kihin application.
I cannot read this. Where's anything?
Huh?
Radha, I don't know. I
See,
think
what are you talking
India.
about? You're from India, right,
Maybe.
guys?
They are talking about maybe Tamil or something else. I don't know.
Tamil. What
We are,
language is that? Oh, they are gone. They are go.
they are go.
They are go. Very, guys, you are go quickly. Very easy.
Because no time to check. That's why.
Nice to meet you here, all of you. I miss you all. I miss live. Busy because it's Ramadan, guys. Super busy. That's why we are not go live every day.
No time to make life.
No time to make live. We have time in the kitchen. But I always live in the kitchen. I have a lot of videos in the kitchen.
Are you making, huh?
I have a lot in Jory. I am always live in the kitchen. Guys, there's some asaranga there, or we can talk. Filipino. Kabayan, kamusta? You know, Danny didn't eat anything.
Why?
I don't know. He want
Kelvin also not eat properly. He
oh,
eats
he
snack
want
only.
to go and play.
Eat little some.
We are in down, guys. Again. Hello.
Granny. Zoom.
Hi, viewers. Hi, Shanta. Nice to meet you all. Thank you for the likes.
Then baby or then soon baby. Scared.
Özge geliyor Özge. Özge geliyor. Anne geliyor.
Yok mu senin? Yok.